I'd really rather our family physician look after little Zuzu if you don't mind.
What's good? What's good? It's your boy Mac and I'm back, and today we about to do another reaction. You already know what it is, and today we're about to check out lightning bending in Avatar: The Last Airbender. Definitely one of the reasons why I would be a firebender if I was that good, because lightning bending, it just always stood out as that one thing that was just chaotic, crazy, and just awesome. Anyways, let's check it out.
I'll show you lightning.
Ooh. Tell me you wouldn't want to do that. Just, I don't, something about that I just love. Man, like, I remember when I was a kid, I would be in my room like, man, I'm telling you. Let me look at that one more time. I love that shit. I love it. I love it.
I'll show you lightning.
I ain't gonna lie, when I was a kid, I definitely had a crush on her, even though she was crazy, but hey, I like the evil ones, I guess. Ooh. Freaking wild. That is just wild, like, she's the younger sister, and she was just doing, like, she was better than Zuko, technically. In my eyes, like, she had the strong, it's kind of like Dobby. If you watch My Hero, Dobby has the stronger flames. I mean, it seems like if your shit's blue, you pretty much a G. Damn. Yeah, I definitely like the crazy ones. Yeah.
Physician look after little Zuzu if you don't mind.
Ooh. I ain't gonna lie, see, lightning plus crazy, I love it. I love it. I love it. Azula is just, oh my god.
Look after little Zuzu if you don't mind. You don't look so good.
Yo, like, can she spam it? Like, it feels like there's no recoil to using it a bunch of times. Like, I wonder if there's something that happens if you overuse it. They really don't explain it, but hey, shit, I like it, so keep on doing it, right? And at what point did he teleport? Because there was nobody near her, so I'm still trying to figure out how he did that. Like, look, let's go back. There was no one near her. Popped up out of nowhere. Freaking ghost. There's 2 occasions Zuko could have killed her and his daddy, but you know, family. Get him. Get him. And he could have killed him. Anyways, that was the video. Definitely one of my favorite techniques on the show. Lightning bending, whatever you want to call it. That's definitely something that I enjoy seeing, and I just wish they really used it more often. Which seems like they used it plenty of times, but it mainly was from like 3 characters: Iroh, Azula, and the Fire Lord. Those are the main ones and the only ones that you would see use it. But yeah, what type of bending would you want? Would you want to be a water bender, earth bender, air, fire? Comment down below what you want to be. For me, it was definitely a fire bender, even though I feel like I would burn down the world, but that's just me. Anyways, we out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. More videos coming soon, and if you want me to react to something specifically, just comment down below. We out.